Introducing Scalenut's game-changing keyword planner. Are you tired of staring at a blank page? Struggling to come up with content ideas? Well, fret no more. With Scalenut's keyword planner, inspiration is just a click away. Find the Keyword Planner feature on your Scalenut dashboard and click on Plan to get started. Enter the keyword you want to find related ideas for. Search and select your target location, and then click on Start. Scalenut's powerful AI conducts a comprehensive analysis through its deep learning model and creates a report for you. Click on the Open Report button to have a look. There are two tabs for clusters and keywords. The Clusters section contains recommended clusters from high-impact keywords, while the Keywords section contains a list of all related keywords. You can see the number of keywords the tool was able to create for you under the keyword on the top, in this case, 900. Similarly, you can see the number of clusters the tool was able to create for you, in this case, 41. You can use the Sort By option to sort these clusters by their relevance, search volume, keywords in the cluster, and keyword difficulty. Use the search box to search for a keyword among the clusters. You can find the average keyword difficulty score and total search volume for each cluster on the top right. Click Expand to view in detail. Keyword Planner provides you with the total cluster search volume, along with average keyword difficulty on the top and keyword difficulty percentage, relevance, CPC, and the search volume for each of the keywords. If you wish to share the clusters with your team, click the Export button on the top right corner to download a handy.csv file. Once you are ready to proceed, hover over the cluster of your choice and click on Create SEO Article so that Scalenut can generate a thorough SEO report for you to get started with content research and writing. Now you can create SEO articles for various clusters using cruise mode. You can also click on Keyword Planner on the menu on your left to view any report that was created. The three dots to the right allow you to delete any report you no longer need. You can find any accidentally deleted reports in your archives. Just like that, Keyword Planner makes strategizing and planning content simpler and more effective. Thanks for watching.